time for the tram announcement. Expert terrain only up here. If you want to ride the tram down, we have another 10 minutes. Last one's at 3:30. Due to hidden obstacles, use caution. Obey all closed signs. They're there for your safety. Violators will lose their lift privileges. Reckless out of control skiing will not be tolerated. You will lose your pass. There are hosts up here if you need assistance or have questions. Patrols up here, top of bridge or top of Teton. And if you're considering exiting, resort into the backcountry with the proper knowledge, equipment, a partner, and a plan. If you don't know, don't go.
We're at the top, first tram of the day today. Probably even gnarlier wind than yesterday somehow. I thought it was gonna be more calm. It is definitely not. Just crazy wind everywhere. Reminds me of my first ever time up here, but probably 3 times worse. Stoked?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Let's get ripping.
Last tram today leaves the top at 3:30. Okay. Due to hidden obstacles, please use caution. Please obey all mountain resort signs. They're there for your safety. Excessive speed and reckless behavior will not be tolerated. Violated will lose their lift privileges. There will be a mountain host available at the top of the tram. If you need assistance or have any questions. Ski patrol is also located at the top of the tram, top of bridge or gondola, and the top of the Teton lift. If you are considering exiting resort into the backcountry, please make sure to have the proper equipment, knowledge, a partner, and a plan. If you don't know, don't go.
see that open area up there?
Yeah.
I say we make our way to that. It's pretty good.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
What's this?
Powdery.
Go down here?
I'm doing this right here, yeah. You can watch me how I do it. Leave it up to Jackson to be snowing in the morning, completely clear in the middle of the day, and then totally socked in once again. And I actually just went to go grab my camera because it was dumping snow out, and I turn around and nothing's happening. Well, today was another sick day. I think that's our third powder day, if you want to call it a powder day, this weekend, and we should have one more coming tomorrow because it just started snowing again. I'll show you in a second. But 5 minutes ago, I filmed that segment, and then 5 minutes later, snowing again. So that's pretty funny. But we're going to go get sushi now, just like we did yesterday. Compared to yesterday, it honestly wasn't as deep. I mean, the first run was really sick. Not as deep. I thought it was going to be a deeper day, but it wasn't. But that's all good. It honestly just got really warm at the bottom. And I looked at the thermometer that they have at the bottom, and it said 46, which just, that threw me off. I didn't know. And somebody told me that Snowbird was 60 today. So, yeah, I'm not surprised by that. It's pretty crazy to have that gnarly of winter conditions up at the top and then have it be so warm at the bottom. I've never seen a temperature difference like that. Maybe other than like Whistler, but yeah. Like I said, gonna go eat now. Today was sick. Very heavy skiing at the bottom, so we didn't really spend much time down there. It was also very sore from yesterday, so that's its whole thing, but I think tomorrow should be sick. Snowing out. Might be the deepest day of the week, so I don't even know. We scored Grand Targhee powder on Friday. Saturday we took a rest day. Sunday was the deepest day for sure. And today's Monday, right? Yeah. And Monday, pretty good powder day, but very wet at the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna see what we could get into tomorrow. I'll stop boring you guys with the talking. Let's go get some sushi.